Dear students, in today's video, I'm going to explain about markup and margin calculation. So let's start. Okay, so you can see first thing first, very important. In case of markup, cost is taken as 100%. I repeat, in case of markup, cost is taken as 100%. In case of margin, selling price is taken as 100%. Again, in case of margin, selling price is taken as 100%. So you can see this green box. We are going to apply these rules here. Selling price is 40 and margin is 10%. As I said, wherever you see word margin, you will write selling price as 100%. That means profit as a percentage of selling price is 10%. If I take the balancing amount, that's cost, that should be 90%. So in this case, profit will be 10% of selling price. I will take this 40 times by 0.1. And the balancing figure will be cost. That's 36. Let's try another question, but with markup. So you can see here cost is 57. Here they have used word markup. Wherever you see word markup, you must put cost as 100%. Cost is 100%, profit is 6%. That means selling price should be a representative of 106%. So I can calculate profit. I will take 57 times by 6%. That gives me 3.42. I can simply work backwards and I can calculate my selling price, that is 60.42. Now let's try another example. This time selling price is 105, but they have given us markup. As I said, wherever you see markup, put cost as 100%. Profit is 4%. Cost is 100%. So that means selling price will be 104. So now what we do, we need to take this selling price and we need to break it into 104 pieces. I repeat, we are taking this 105, we are breaking it in 104 pieces times by 100. So my cost should be this. And I can simply take the difference between these two numbers. That will be my profit. If you want to calculate 4% as a percentage of cost, then I can take 100.962 times by 4%. So you can see it's the same number. Another example, this time they have given us cost and margin. Margin means selling price 100%. Margin 14%. That means this cost represents 86%. This 246 represents 86%. So what I'm going to do, I will take this 246. I'm going to divide this by 86. I'm breaking it into 86 pieces. I'm timesing it, multiplying it with 100. This is what we call gross up. So now we can take the difference between these two numbers, and that will be your profit. If you want to take this selling price and take 14% of that, this is 40.04, same as this. Let's solve two more quick examples. Okay, this time I can take I will take margin of 15% and I will take cost. These type of questions are more difficult. Cost. Let's say cost is 56. I can see word margin. I will put selling price as 100%. Margin is 15. That means cost is 85%. 56 cost represents 85%. I'm going to break this into 85 pieces and I will convert this by multiplying 100. This is what we call grossing up. Now I'm going to take this 65 minus 56. That gives us a profit of 9.88. If I try by calculating 15% of this number, that's also 9.88. Final example, this time I'm going to test on markup. And how much? Let's say 20%. And let's take selling price of 125. Markup, cost 100%. Profit 20. Selling price represents 120%. Now I need 100% of selling price. I will take selling price. I will break it into 120 pieces. I need only 100 pieces out of it. That's my cost. I can simply take the difference. 20.833. If I take 20% of this number, that means 20.833. So this is how we can calculate markup and margin calculations. I hope this video is useful for you. If you have any further questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to make videos on your questions. Thank you very much.